Alright, guys, so this article said Peter Obi urged graduates to transform Nigeria, donate 50 million naira to Dominican University in Ibadan. Now, earlier before then, Reno Omokiri actually promised 10 million naira if Peter Obi can actually contribute to schools. And somebody, Dr. Paul, has proved it wrong because he actually dropped clips of Mr. Peter Obi as the pro-chancellor of the Dominican University in Ibadan. Now, this article says Peter Obi, the Labour Party presidential candidate in the 2023 election, reaffirmed his unwavering dedication to education during his attendance at the convocation ceremony of Dominican University, Samoda, Ibadan, Oyo State. Serving as the pro-chancellor since the institution inception nearly a decade ago, Obi honored a long-standing commitment to participate in the milestone event. Reflecting on transformative power of education, Obi shared an inspiring story with the graduating class, spotlighting the journey of Peter Jonathan Luke Wood, the president of the University of California, Sacramento, whose story is a testament to perseverance, rising from a challenging upbringing marked by adversity, his mother, imprisonment, being adopted, and facing suspension from school 42 times for truancy. Yet through sheer determination, he overcame these obstacles to become the youngest president of a U.S. university. His journey is a powerful reminder of the boundless height we can achieve through resilience and hard work, Obi said. In his address, Obi encouraged the graduates to embrace the innovative knowledge and values instilled in them at Dominican University. He urged them to measure success by their contribution to society rather than personal gains, advocating for a national shift from a culture of consumption to the one of production. A statement of his belief in education as a foundation for societal advocacy, Obi donated 50 million naira to Dominican University, further solidifying his commitment to nurturing institutions that empower minds and inspire hope. Together, we can build a new Nigeria that is truly possible, Obi concluded. Now, Reno Omokiri actually made a statement that Obi cannot do such. And he made that statement clearly, and it became a challenge. I will not say it's a challenge because I know that Mr. Peter Obi has always invested in education. So Reno Omokiri is just, for me, I feel like he's just an internet noisemaker that, just like the regular internet noisemaker that we all know, or around, always making noise and, supporting their political party for their own personal gain. So like supporting whoever they want to support for their own personal gain, So this actually has proven a lot. We have seen so many times. Peter Obi himself said in an interview that he gives back to the school in a month. He donates more to the school in a month, more than 3 or 4 different schools, whether in the east, whether in the north, whether in the southeast, whether in the west, anywhere that he's invited, he goes there and he drops a massive donation. And as a pro-chancellor in Dominican University for over 10 years, what do you expect? He will always do something to support the school that I would say, for being a pro-chancellor in a school, not be more thing now. And, having been there for not just 1 or 2 or 3 times, but for a long time, it's something that I feel like he will always want to commit to. Now, let me read the article he posted on his X page over this issue. He said, "Today, I honor a long-planned commitment to attend the convocation ceremony at Dominican University, Samoda, Ibadan, Oyo State, where I have served as a pro-chancellor since its inception nearly a decade ago. My commitment to its growth and development remains steadfast. The event provided an opportunity to reflect on the transformative power of education and the resilience of the human rights in overcoming challenges. The highlight of my speech was the inspiring story I shared with the graduating student about a young man I met this week, Mr. Jonathan Lookwood, the president of the University of California, Sacramento. His journey is a remarkable testament to determination against all odds. Born into adversity, he faced unimaginable challenges, including having his mother in prison, being adopted, and being suspended from school 42 times for truancy. Despite this setback, he refused to let his circumstances define him. Instead, he wrote his story, rising above his struggles to become the youngest president of an American university, the University of California, Sacramento. His story serves as a powerful reminder of the boundless height we can attain through the hard work, resilience, and determination. This is something I've already read before. So guys, what do you think? For 10 billion naira, a lot of people are already dragging Reno Omokiri that he should keep to his commitment and pledge that money. I'll show you some of a little highlight of Obi's speech from that particular event. After which, some testimonies from the school. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. What do you guys think about this? Do you think that truly we should really drag Reno like Yamaha generator until he remits that money, or we should just let him keep backing on the internet as always? Don't forget to drop a comment, because that's very important.
You're looking at the society called Nigeria today and the world, because the world is not a village. It might look difficult, it might look this, but those core values that you've learned, the innovations and everything you've learned from here are what will go on with you. And like David Spitzy told you, it's not about you. The only thing you can take out of this world is your contribution into it. Whatever you take away, I can tell you, does not make you a success or great. But what you put in that helps to build a better humanity.
Mr. Emmanuel, we are right here at Dominican University.
Right.
Have you always known that Mr. Peter Obi is your Pro-Chancellor?
Sure. It's obvious now. He was here during the last convocation 2 years ago.
Did you see the banter going on with Reno Omokiri on the social
Obviously,
media?
I saw that. Yeah, I do. I was like, we're trying to demystify the fact. So it stated it's obvious. So it was saying that 10 million naira to be given to someone that can prove that to be
Donated
so,
into this, yeah.
So I was like, no need.
Well, yes, he hasn't paid me my money, so.
Oh really?
Oh no, he hasn't. He has to pay that money, and that's the reason why I came here actually.
Oh really?
Oh yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Nice
Any word about Mr. Peter Obi being here? And I heard he's been Pro-Chancellor since nearly about since 2017 or so.
I think he has been so generous to the university, right? Words of encouragement. He has been here. He's not a noisemaker. Quotes. So he does the things calmly. So he doesn't make noise. He doesn't want people to kind of fight for him. So he's a man of his word actually. So Dominican University is proud and happy.
What's happening today?
And we are having our third and fourth convocation ceremony. Yeah. So as our Pro-Chancellor here today.
Let's go and see what's up.
I go by the name Richard Jassa Sebastian and Friar Jassa at Twitter. So I'm a student of the Dominican University, 300 level student of the Department of Philosophy and Religious Studies. So today is an important day in the life of the university because we are having our convocation. The fourth and the third set are having their convocation today. And Mr. Peter Obi is around. He's the chancellor of the university, and it's a thing of joy for us young people who so much believe in his ideology in the political space about our nation. To have him, it's my first time seeing him actually. So I want to have one-on-one conversation with him because I so much appreciate his ideology and the perspective you look at our nation. So today as a man who believes in education, as he has been emphasizing anywhere he goes about education, about educating our young people so that our country becomes a better place. He is here as a pro chancellor and he's going to offer, I think, 50 million naira in support of education. And that shows his commitment as a man, because as a private individual doing this for education in Nigeria, and it's a thing of joy for us, because I believe with that donation, the school will make, what will I just say, a positive impact on the life of us as students.